In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Wix website effectively in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're new to Wix or have been using it for years, ensuring the security of your site is crucial in protecting both your content and your visitors' data. Let's dive in to make sure you're covered with updated security practices. Firstly, it's essential to use a strong, unique password for your Wix account. This might sound basic, but it's your first line of defense against unauthorized access. A good password should combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store complex passwords. These tools can help you keep track of multiple accounts without the burden of memorizing every password. Next, enable two-step verification on your account. This adds an additional layer of security by requiring a second form of identification beyond just your password. Typically, this involves a code sent to your phone or email. In the event someone attempts to hack your account, they'll need access to this second verification method, making unauthorized access significantly harder. To activate two-step verification, go to your account settings on Wix, find the security settings, and follow the prompts to set it up. It's a quick process that considerably boosts security. It's also crucial to remember to log out from your Wix account when using public or shared computers. Neglecting to do this could allow someone else to access your account after you've left. Always double check by clicking Log Out and ensuring the browser has completely cleared any session data. For added efficiency, consider automating certain processes within your Wix settings. Automation can reduce human error and ensure repetitive security tasks are consistently performed. Explore options like scheduling regular backups of your website's data. This way, even if something goes awry, you'll have a recent copy of your site to restore from. Lastly, if you have a mailing list or subscriber features on your Wix site, it's beneficial to tag resubscribers. This helps you keep track of who is engaging with your content and allows you to filter out suspicious or spammy signups more effectively. Segmenting your audience can also support targeted communication, ensuring both security and relevance in your user interactions. With these measures in place, you'll be giving your Wix website a robust shield against the common threats it might face in 2025. Prioritizing site security not only protects your content, but also maintains trust with your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to implement these steps to keep your online presence secure.